Hi, welcome guys. My name is Shay from DreamHomeBasedWork.com. If you are new, go ahead and select that subscribe button. I share a wide variety of work from home jobs and different ways that you guys can be able to make money online. If you are really serious about landing a job, I highly suggest that you subscribe and sign up for my free email newsletter. I send out hot job alerts a few times per week. This is great for you to just get, a quick email. I don't spam you guys with a bunch of emails. I only send out an email newsletter with the latest jobs once or twice per week. In today's video, I wanted to focus on jobs that allow you to work from your smartphone. You do not need a computer to perform the job. This is a very popular question asked from readers that visit my blog, as well as those that are on Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms. There are many people that are not able to either afford a desktop or does not have an updated computer in their home to perform a lot of the tasks that are involved for these jobs. So these particular companies I want to share with you today will allow you to complete all of the work from your smartphone. Now, I will say that some of these companies may require you to apply for the job on a desktop. It may be a little difficult to apply from your smartphone. So you can visit your local library, you can borrow a neighbor's computer just to apply for the job. But once you are hired, you are able to perform all of the tasks from your smartphone. The first company I want to share with you guys is iSoftStone. They are currently hiring data crowd workers to work from home. Actually, you can work from anywhere. The tasks are very short, no longer than 15 minutes to complete. And the starting pay is anywhere between $8 to $11 per hour. The next platform is a free app called Palfish. Now, this particular app pays you to teach the English language. You do not need any type of prior experience in order to work for the app. It is available on Apple and Android devices. And the great thing about this app is that you can set your own hourly rate. You can set the rate that you want to charge the people that are on the app. Payments are made out twice per month via PayPal, and you can work anytime you want from anywhere. One thing you should note with this app is that it can freeze up from time. Some people do complain about it freezing up, especially when you need to upload a photo, because you do need to upload your photo in order to get started with the app. Another free platform is called NiceTalk. This is very similar to Palfish. You are paid to teach people the English language online. You are paid per talk minute. With this company, they claim that you can make around $10 per hour. And as long as you have at least $20 in your account, you can cash out via PayPal weekly. This app is also available for free on Apple and Android devices. Another company I want to share with you guys is Appen. Appen hires either social media evaluators or search engine evaluators to work from home. You can work on your smartphone, complete all of the tasks on your smartphone, and you can work up to 20 hours per week. This is one of those companies where you will need a computer or need access to a computer to apply for the job, and then all of the tasks are done completely from your smartphone. The starting pay for this position is around $14 per hour. So if you are interested in this, this is a great way to be able to earn money, just completing tasks from your smartphone. I hope that these suggestions were really great for you guys to check out. Feel free to share this video with any family members, any friends that may only have a smartphone but wants to make some additional money in addition to their job. I can't say that these companies will provide a full-time income, but it is definitely an extra way to make some extra money just by having a smartphone and being able to complete these tasks. Also, if you guys have any ideas or any other legitimate suggestions for those that would like to work from their smartphone and be able to earn some extra cash, feel free to share those in the comment section below. And as always, if you're looking for any other work from home opportunities, make sure you check out my official website, dreamhomebasedwork.com. I am starting to get more active on Instagram. So definitely I'll leave a link in my description box below so you can follow me there, and on Facebook as well. I really hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. Take care.